哇！呢度咧就係地下室啦，人哋啲地下室咧好大好闊㗎，唔知點解呢地下室咧咁窄咁細。但係你冇睇見而家都叫咗啲地方啊，其實之前咧係好似呢度咁樣咧，即係比呢度雜亂10倍都有，堆滿晒垃圾同廢物嘅。咁而家咧全部清空晒啲垃圾啊、廢物啊，同埋嗰啲咧即係已經係即係碎晒落嚟嘅嗰啲磚啊嗰啲嘢啊，咁而家咧就平咗。清晒啲垃圾咧，就嚟緊就要倒啲水泥咧，即係平整咗個地。咁裏邊嗰啲都會平整噶啦，係執埋。咁平整咗咧，下邊咧呢一度咧，其實至少都可以放到2張單人床嘅，係啊，至少可以如果有需要嘅話，可以放到2張單人床，係啦。咁同埋咧就可以裏邊咧可以清咗之後咧，可以放雜物嘅，裏邊都仲好深嘅嚇。咁咧就清晒啲垃圾出嚟嗱，你見到仲有垃圾，但係地面上咧之前咧係入都入唔到嘅，堆滿晒垃圾嘅廢物嘅各樣嘅廢物。咁而家咧就清晒啲好多啲抌咗啦，咁有啲咧就清咗出嚟。咁而家咧我就最後將剩翻落嚟嘅呢一堆垃圾咧清咗嚟之後咧，咁就啲泥沙咧就可以攞嚟咧封個地啦。咁你見到遠處咧就有人喺度鋸。繼續喺度鋸木啦咁樣咧就整咗接近2個月啦。雖然你見到好似就好雜亂咁但係主要嘅維修清理都已經搞掂噶啦咁就平整埋裏邊嘅地下室，咁燒埋呢堆木去，係啦，咁就起碼就有個即係大致嘅地方啦。雖然仲有好多地方咧就可以用，但係咧仲有排搞，係啦。咁但係咧就起碼而家咧就清晒呢啲廢物。咁我正話咧執完又做垃圾鋪啦，即係清理咗啲垃圾啦。咁而家都喺啲沙泥裏邊咧執翻乾淨啲垃圾。咁啲沙泥咧就仲可以用啦，仲可以廢物利用清理咗啲垃圾佢。好，咁樣咧就你見到就係啦，仲有一啲木咧斬咗咧未用咁而家今日暖啲啦，但係先2日都仲係零下嘅，咁嚟緊都仲有幾日零下。咁咧就啲木斬咗咧，就睇下今年用咗佢先咁下年咧再斬啦。咁咧呢度呢啲都要清嘅咁就係啦。咁你見到咧就係呢啲全部都喺地下室度挖出嚟嘅咁好多已經抌咗啦咁所以先至會咁乾淨。咁呢地下室好得意喎，道門好細喎，要捐入去我都冇見過美國啲屋地方咁大咁但係咧地下室竟然咁細個門係咁細。咁當初起嘅人咧，可能個地下室只係純粹想愛嚟做呢一個雜物房冇諗過要淨係有一層。我見多數嗰啲美國屋咧，佢哋地下室嗰層咧都係有佢哋地面同埋樓上嗰層咁靚嘅咁呢間屋咧已經係冇樓上嗰層嘅啦，淨係得一層。咁但係咧佢地下室都整得咁求其咁咧而家經我哋整理過之後咧平整咗佢之後咧，咁出入咗好多。但係門咧就冇得整大，但係咧就會整一道正式啲嘅門啦，係啦。咁可能咧好似以前咁薛平貴定薛丁山，我記得佢哋住喺窯裏邊咧係要彎低身入去嘅，咁謙卑自己啦，咁學下謙卑啦好，咁希望大家有機會喺度睇睇親身睇睇咁可能你未必有機會幫手做啦，因為都做得七七八八啦，但係希望你親身嚟體驗下、經歷下啦。If we pronounce in to be ill, what happened? Yeah, become this word. 我嘅 means my or mine, okay? 你嘅 means your or yours, okay? Next time I think I want to present you about the time, about the day and about the holiday. You know how to count from 1 to 10, but can you say Monday? surely this earthquake come from God, and he knows that he can just leave, okay? God saved them, okay? But he didn't take any move to run away, and he even stopped the jailer. Dear all, do you want your opinion to be heard instead of ignored? Sometimes you find difficulties expressing yourself. It seems no one wants to listen to you or take your words seriously. This may affect your studies, work, relationship, and even psychological health. Have I ever come across difficulties expressing myself? Sure. But I never hold back from presenting my thoughts, because I take difficulties as challenges and force for strengthening myself. So never mind if you have difficulties expressing yourself, just keep learning, practicing, and talking. Never give up. Have you ever dreamed of being a keynote speaker? I'm not yet a famous keynote speaker, but I've been in the talking career for over 30 years, teaching, training, and preaching. I love expressing myself, inspiring others, and communicating with people. Why not start as a self-talk or monologue in the training, where you won't feel stressed to talk in front of the audience? Sharing your ideas can be an interflow with yourself or other people. It can be easy, relaxing, and fun. Let's come and talk, or learn how to talk in a relaxing, effective, and inspiring way. After overcoming your defects in communicating, you will have a life full of self-respect, joy, fulfillment in your studying, working, relationship, and gain a successful career. Join my channel membership as my premier diehard fans to get a link for the private chat room for the training. You'll find the barcode for the membership of my channel in the thumbnail photo down in the description under my video. So just scroll down when you see my video. Under the description, you'll find it. There are other exclusive member perks and more training for the membership. Link will be sent to you once you join and email me. And then you can find my email contact below. So see you. Hope that we can learn together, grow together, and talk together. Never mind. Just talk as you like, okay? Just express yourself, or you just want a listener. So just let us talk and let us listen person to person with me, okay? If you don't want to join a group. So just let me know. Just join the membership. See you. Bye-bye.